Mastering inversion with had in English Conditionals. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to dive deep into an important grammar topic: inversion with had in conditional sentences. This is a powerful tool that can make your English sound more formal and advanced. So let's start. In English, we often use if to introduce conditional sentences. But did you know there's another way to phrase these? Inversion in conditional sentences is a structure where we remove if and change the order of the subject and auxiliary verb. This makes the language more formal and dramatic. Let's consider an example. If I had known, I would have acted differently. Using inversion, we could say, had I known, I would have acted differently. Notice that had comes before I, which is unusual in English. But in this context, it's entirely correct and adds a touch of sophistication. In conditional sentences, had is used in the past perfect tense. This tense refers to an action completed before another past action. In the context of conditional sentences, we use had to express hypothetical or unreal past situations. For instance, if I had studied harder, I would have passed the exam. Becomes, had I studied harder, I would have passed the exam. Here are the steps for forming inversion with had. 1. Begin with the auxiliary verb had. 2. Follow had with the subject. 3. Then, proceed with the rest of the sentence. Important. Remember that the clause that follows should be a condition result, often starting with would, could, or might. Now let's practice. Convert these if sentences to use inversion with had. 1. If he had understood, he would have agreed. 2. If they had listened to me, we wouldn't be lost. 3. If she had practiced, she might have won the competition. Solutions. 1. Had he understood, he would have agreed. 2. Had they listened to me, we wouldn't be lost. 3. Had she practiced, she might have won the competition. Congratulations! You've just leveled up your English skills by mastering inversion with had in conditional sentences. This will help you express complex ideas more elegantly and make your language more advanced. Keep practicing this structure and soon, it'll become second nature. See you in the next video, and happy learning!